to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys step by step how I make my closure wigs. So first, I always use a dome wig cap. Okay, I always use a dome style wig cap, and I buy mine from the beauty supply store. This is what it looks like. Y'all, I gotta get the extra large because my head is kind of big. Okay, so I got the extra large, and these are only like $2 at the beauty supply store, and it fits my head really perfect. It's not tight, it's not uncomfortable to wear or anything like that. So I have 5 bundles here, you guys, from Ishow hair. I have their straight, I think it's Brazilian. I'm gonna double check and leave it down in my description box. Okay, so this is what their lace closure looks like. It's a 4x4 free part lace closure, and it looks bomb. Looks like it's already pre-plucked, so all I have to do is bleach it. I wish the knots were already bleached. Okay, so before I start sewing anything down, I'm gonna take my bleaching powder right here with my developer right here. So I use these 2 products to bleach out the knots. The powder comes with a scoop right here. For lace closures, specifically like this one, a 4x4, I just take 1 scoop or maybe 1.5, but for a frontal I take about 2.5 scoops of powder, just in case anybody is like just confused or don't know how much powder and how much liquid to put in. So when I first ever started like just dyeing my hair and just using bleach, I would have like runny bleach. Like, it's supposed to be a thick consistency, and I never knew that. So the whole time I was doing it wrong. And yeah, it's supposed to be more powder than liquid. Y'all, I just have this little container here, so can y'all see? I just have this little container here. So I'm just gonna pour it in just a little bit at a time and stir it. So this is the consistency that you guys want. See, I'll flip the whole spoon, and it's very thick. When I apply the bleach on the closure, I lay the closure flat down, and then I just like, if y'all can see, I just take, I'm using a spoon right here. There's nothing wrong with using a spoon. You don't have to use like those hair tools, those little, I don't know. I'm just gonna use a spoon, and I just spread it out all over. See, when the consistency is too runny, it can go through the lace and get all on the hair and things like that. When it's thick, it's literally just sitting on top, like where the knots are. So yeah, because that's the only thing you want to try to bleach, is just the knots. So I'm just going to lay this down on my table and cover it completely, and then I'll be back. So this is how the closure is looking once I covered the entire lace, you guys. This is how the front looks. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for about, I would say 30 to 35 or 40 minutes, something like that, just until I see all the knots disappear, and I'll be back after I wash this out. Hey guys, okay, so with my closure, after I bleached the knots, I took my foundation and I took a little foundation brush and covered the entire lace with my foundation. So when you put your closure on top, you want to pull it a little past your wig cap and then pin all 4 corners down to make it easier to sew, because they keep your closures and your frontals or whatever in place, so it's much easier to sew down. So next, I'm going to take my needle and thread. You can find all these products at your local beauty supply store. So next, all I'm going to do is take my needle. I'm going to go through my wig cap and go up through the lace of the closure, and I'm going to pull the string. I put my finger through the hoop to make sure it doesn't knot up, because if you do it really fast, the thread can knot up, and that is the worst thing ever. You're going to have to cut the knot out and just make a whole new thread. gonna take my needle and go through the weft just like this, and then I'm gonna start sewing it on. So you just want to pull really tight and continue doing this until you're done. Done. Now of course you want to cut the wig cap off underneath the lace, and be careful with this part because you don't want to cut any threads because it will unravel the closure. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed wig. I'm so excited to try this on and install it, and the hair is just beautiful. Oh my god, it's so soft. So like I told you guys, I'm not a professional or anything. This is just the way I make my wig. So I hope you guys learned something and try it out. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try out doing like the hot glue method, because y'all, sewing the whole wig is like so time consuming. It takes forever and your arm hurt. So I'm going to try out the hot glue method. Yeah, the quality of this hair, I can just tell it is bomb. Y'all know I only show y'all hair that I really recommend, and I highly recommend this one. I barely got any shedding. The hair is super soft and it was easy to work with. The lace closure, everything on the bundles, if I need to pluck it or anything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out Ishow hair down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.